What is going on, guys, and welcome to another video of the C programming tutorial. Today we will cover how to install the software we require for our lessons on Windows. So here we are on the Windows environment. So the first thing that we need to do is to open a browser. For my case, I'm going to use Chrome, and we will search for Visual Studio Community. And it's usually the first result that you'll see. So free ID and developer tools. If you click on that, you have this button right here that says download Visual Studio. If you click on it, it will start the download for you. Okay. In my case, it's downloaded already, and I already have Visual Studio installed. But I'm going to show you some of the steps on what you need to select or not. Okay, so if you will open the downloaded file, you can click on it from the browser, or you can go into the downloads folder like I am and double click, and it will run the installer for you. Okay, so if we just wait a little bit, it should open. Yeah, installer will continue, and it starts to download some files. And from this point onward should be a little different for you. Okay, so you will see something like some license agreement that you need to accept and so on, and select the folders where you want to update it. In my case, I already have it installed, so I'm going to click on update, and it will download the new version. There is already a new version since the last time I've installed mine. So yeah, I'm going to pause the video now because this might take a while, and we'll come back once it finishes downloading. Okay, so it finished updating on my side, but what I want to show you is what are the options that you need to select since you will be installing and not updating. So to show you that, I'm going to click on modify, and I'm going to show you what I have selected to install, because you will see a similar screen to this one when you accept the agreement and select the folder where you want to install it. You will come to a screen like this, and what I have selected is build desktop development with C++. Okay, and that's the only option I have selected. Okay, so make sure you select this option here, and then click on install, and it should install the required things that you need to code in C. Okay, once you've done that, it will launch the previous screen that I was on. It will download and install it for you, and you will see a message after completion, and that's that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you have some question or any suggestion that you want to make on how we can improve these courses, and any doubt, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And if you like the content you want to keep watching, don't forget to subscribe to be notified whenever there is a new video released. So thank you for watching. I see you in the next one.